Good late Wednesday evening. I'm certified meteorologist Nick Kelly checking in on this June 27th of 2018. Unlike yesterday, we had a quiet day from start to finish. We didn't have to worry about any strong or severe thunderstorms around the area, but we traded that problem in for the one that we saw work back in today. Excessive heat and humidity, at least that's what it felt like today, and that's going to continue, especially over the next few days. Let's have a look at the Skywatch Storm Tracker again. Nice to see this quiet from start to finish after dealing with quite a bit of severe weather yesterday. Looking at what lies ahead of us in the short term. Heat advisories to take us into the coming weekend. Not to mention, we have heat warnings, excessive heat warnings for a good portion of the area until Thursday, 8 o'clock in the evening. That's a good sign that it'll be another hot and humid day for sure tomorrow. From 7th and Range Line, it looks like a nice evening at least. The numbers from the almanac at the regional airport today certainly told the tale of a hot summer day. 76 to start, and peaking out at 94 degrees this afternoon. And we're still warm, believe it or not, at the 10 o'clock hour. It's 85 degrees in Joplin, with it feeling like 94 thanks to dew points still sitting in the mid-70s. Everybody's in the same boat. Most of us lower to middle 80s, most of us actually between 81 and 85. But it still feels as hot as the mid-90s this late in the night because of these dew points, which are ridiculous. Most of us still seeing dew points in the mid to upper 70s. Since temperatures can't drop below the dew point temperature, this gives us a good idea that it's going to be a muggy and warm night, with lows only dropping back into the upper 70s. At least we'll keep things quiet on the Skywatch Storm Tracker. Any thunderstorms that manage to pop up across Missouri and Arkansas today, east of the area, mainly in the Ozarks and especially around the Boot Heel, near Sykeston, Cape Girardeau, and Blytheville as you go into northeastern Arkansas along 55. The Skywatch Storm Tracker otherwise has most of the Central Plains quiet, including the rest of the four-state region, all because of this upper-level ridge of high pressure building back in, especially as it shifts that jet stream to the north. That allows the heat and humidity to really kick back in. Not to mention, keeping any rain chances over the next few days pretty much at zero. So, with the brunt of the high forecast to slide right on top of the area for your Thursday, it's definitely going to be a hot and humid day. We'll repeat it again as we go into your Friday. For Saturday, we'll still be under the influence of this ridge, so it'll be another hot and somewhat humid day. But look off to the west. I'm seeing another upper-level system working out of the Rocky Mountain range. Even though the brunt of that wave passes just to the north, it'll graze us. So that could give us some scattered thunderstorms to start your Sunday morning out. A little good that'll do, though, temperature-wise, because we'll be still on the hot side as we go into Sunday. So looking at the short-term forecast again for tonight, going into Thursday morning, a warm and muggy night with temperatures only dropping back into the upper 70s, easily pushing into the lower to middle 90s by lunchtime, and it's just going to be plain old hot and humid, with most of us in the upper 90s. I would not be surprised if a few spots flirted with the 100-degree mark tomorrow. 78 in the morning, 93 by noon, and officially in Joplin we should have a high of 98. Even with the south breeze at 10 to 20, that's still a hot breeze that won't do us any favors to cool off. In fact, that'll keep the moisture around too, so that's why the heat indices for tomorrow will make it feel like it's 105 to 110. We'll try and cool down again for your Friday morning, but it's still going to be a warm start to your Friday morning, followed by another hot day, maybe just a hair cooler with highs in the mid-90s. Regardless what the thermometer says, with the dew points still expected to be well into the 70s for tomorrow, it'll feel like it's 105 to 110 going into your Thursday afternoon, and we'll have to repeat it all over again for your Friday with heat indices back around the 105. So, plain and simple, hot and humid tomorrow with highs from 98, 95 Friday, both days, mostly sunny skies, so at least you don't have to worry about any rain chances spoiling any outdoor plans. 94 Saturday, again, some morning storms possible Sunday and additional storm chances Monday and Tuesday, but that will not scrub out the heat and humidity. We'll stay in the mid-90s going into early next week, and so far the 4th, it still looks hot with highs near 94, but on the plus side, it looks as though we will keep skies on the quiet side for celebrating our nation's independence. Have a good night. Have a great Thursday.